this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker if you come back to Jamaica and violate our laws and create havoc. You will either meet a judge or your maker. You will either meet a judge.
The surge in security force fatal shootings has reached an alarming and quite frankly intolerable number. The year-to-date total of police fatal shootings more than doubles the figure for the same period in 2024. This sharp increase is deeply concerning and unacceptable in a democracy. It is certainly unacceptable when one considers Jamaica's population size. If this trend persists, Jamaica risks regressing to the dark days before the establishment of Indicom, when accountability for such incidents was virtually non-existent. If this trend persists, Jamaica risks eroding the gains that we have made since the establishment of Indicom, and certainly the gains that we have made in human rights for the past decade.
And so I call upon JFJ to demonstrate to the public that your care is more for the well-being of our citizens and less for the relevance of your organization. I am concerned that the JFJ supports the idea that Indicom's investigation is being hampered because we do not have body-worn camera footage to present to them. But should you choose the foolish option of challenging us with lethal force, know this: I do not train my police to lose. We have the superior training and firepower to ensure that we win every time.
You will either meet a judge or your maker. You will either meet a judge or your maker.
So welcome back everybody. Welcome back to another interesting episode of Bar Talk. Season 7, episode 5.
Right.
2025, keeping it alive.
Definitely.
Moving down the line. So we're on a new bar. The bar open up on the terrace or so. Brand new bar. See some big screen like them. I got a little sophisticated look. Screen and AC. Lock the door there. Solomon at the AC stay inside there.
Mm-hmm.
I see Janet around and back around there.
Janet,
come across there.
Bar was,
Oh man, Janet, a young girl. I just hear people them all with the whole name. Come across the Janet. Man, them tell Janet what them want now. So who they in a bar right now? So we have Solomon there. So Solomon push you
I don't want a white rum flask and a flask I can part with it.
alright, for the teacher, one of the unstoppable. Straight vibes. Unstoppable with a glass of ice. Yeah man, the unstoppable a week here.
Babe, just give me a thing there now.
You want a thing there? A thing?
Two cranberry juice.
And a thing? You want a thing there?
Yeah, just send on a matter.
No Malton over there, brother. None never come.
Me just drink some water then, no worries.
See you by the water.
Just bring some ice, the holy pies. You drink some of a Solomon I drink for the rum party.
Yeah man, remember the unstoppable Janet said speed.
So go through there in a ball field like that topic here is a topic right now.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, so
Strong drink, not for drive for.
yeah man, 2025 important here in the East Church, Jamaica now. Them say election year, but we don't know the date yet. I will just observe and study what's going on in the Jamaican space and realize one of the major headlines we see from the year start or even from early and late last year is increased incidents of police killings. So the topic of our job today is entitled One a Day, Hit Squad, Election Purge, Shoot to, Unalive, Meet Your Maker. So we'll analyze what's really happening in the Jamaica.
Go through that again, cause full of word. Go through again.
Because basically the statistics.
So give me a summarize of the topic now.
The man was 50 police killings in 50 days. That's how we call it, one a day.
The 2025. Jaja.
Where the Minister of National Security says not a hit squad. So I'm going to say if we can analyze that statement there. then it's an election year, so I wonder if it's a little purge I go on.
Purge, I'm over the purge election here.
You see me? And then the police commissioner said no train police for lose. So it's like a shoot to kill. And then we hear the prime minister meet here, Jamaica. Alright, so that we are discussing today. So the money.
They mentioned something about judging, but a beer maker we know in a judge them go out of work, you know. A beer maker, the undertaker and the maker, you know, they say they know.
Lead, funeral rooms are lead. Yeah man, so the man can start by giving them opening statements and they will just kick it off wicked.
Boy, what I can say, what can I say? Boy, in a Jamaican society where the law is supposedly you're innocent until proven guilty. When I really see that happen below a certain socio-economic background, so when I see that happen to the poorer class people, because once you fall in the class, you're always deemed guilty until you're proven innocent. And that alone right there so is a big issue. So these what they call them extrajudicial unaliving by the police force is one where we have to go divulge and look into clearly man them cause it's not safe out there right now. Right now you have to look over your shoulder for criminal elements. Plus you have to look over your shoulder for criminal elements in a blue suit. So, boy, I don't even know, I have nothing else to say right now, you know, man. I want to see some other...
Yeah, man. Give me a piece out there, Joe. So for me, in my opening statement, the teacher, boy, my biggest concern with all of these police unaliving at the 50 days, 50 for 50, come like some cricket thing, one day, which is one a day. Yeah, man. When me I say still, you know, man, him not the bar, yeah. The camera where the police them supposed to use have yet to see a police footage from the camera. Some more time I wonder where them camera there. Cause for the past year or so, here's a police supposed to wear body camera. You know what I mean? Some of them killing you or unaliving seem suspect. Whether or not they are innocent or them a criminal, that's another story. But it's like when the police them a shoot off for the man them a miss. You know, you're in the police I get shot, me just say, you know. Well, so what, the gunman them hand kind of lean or what? I don't know. They just look away to me. I'm not seeing no body footage as well. So that's my opening statement. Next man.
Boy, it's a sticky thing because when you look on it on one hand, when you listen news, man, innocent people are dead. You get me? So it obviously means say crime there in the country. But at the same time, you not solve that crime, you not solve no crime there. So the only thing you can do is shoot bad man. But you not solve no crime. There's no crime that is being solved apart from when them find the gun for a man waste life. There's no other crime. The amount of crime will go on in Jamaica where yo, I doubt if them investigators I don't know police things. It's not like them go deal with is a active crime thing them depend and track down a killer or something and then whatever. I don't like that. Then get a message say yo, man a man there over here so no. Then come in there, man I get shot in their head back, in their eye, in their belly, in their foot.
Brother, them one them I get some critical ear.
No, but you know, you may say.
The man like no shot on foot. Man, them
man, you know, understand, you know. They shot them in a, they shot them while drop in a head tap.
Yeah.
Enough of them are over the man them. Based on how it look on the ground, mash out head. No man not go shoot no man and them head mash out and it leak down. It a go fly through. It's crazy. So no investigation now go on. It's just the man there so track down the man and kill the man.
Investigation lead to the police target them people that the police commissioner come out and say.
But the thing is, you know, investigation lead
to them people.
Also means the end of the day, you know. The first priority, you know, I forget this man here in a handcuff, you know. And you tell me, say, out of the 50, we're going, all of them fire shot off at the police. And all of them miss the police them.
Well,
all of the police them return fire.
Well, Salam, remember say over the last couple months, you see a lot of videos circulate in a social media where you see you don't see people face and things that way. So a lot of high-powered weapons says that there's an increase in the gun them what the man them have on the streets.
And you tell me say all of them high-powered weapons they return from police and none of them no catch them.
No man, of course, incidents of police getting injured in somebody's.
Right. Incidents different from unaliving.
Yeah, cause I remember say police well trained, you know. Like say,
if they were well trained, they would not fear kill everybody. But then buck upon.
No, but the commissioner
well trained police officers first start is to get that person in a handcuff.
No, the commissioner tell us I'm not train police for lose.
Yeah, but
that makes no sense. That makes no sense.
But that's what they're saying. They must train policeman.
You can lose the battle, you know. So him win the battle.
Yeah.
But are they winning the war? No, in the war.
But
brother.
There's no winning and losing in a situation where you are paid and trained to fight crime. There's no winning and losing.
Yeah, man.
There's you doing your work efficiently. Doing your work efficiently, so you prevent crime.
Perspective. They might look on it from that perspective that to say.
That is why it's dumb. Because at the end of the day, you win and lose, but you have a certain big hero still can't get back his money. So him losing. So who win?
Yeah, the police
who win?
The police are claim to win. The police
in a bold situation, him lose. So who win?
The police are claim to win, brother. The commissioner say him not training policeman them for lose.
No, me talk about in the bold scenario. So both losing money. Because we talk about crime, winning and losing. So both losing money. So who win?
Well, me no know.
Company.
Me no know who win.
But all the company shut down. But all the company, them shut down?
Yeah, them not exist anymore. Them not exist anymore.
So all them win.
Me never said them win.
Because the money.
Me never said
the
them
money
win. Say in terms of winning and losing a crime.
Yeah.
So the police win because them are bust up some boy. You see me them win.
Yeah,
take it outside of that. Take it outside of that crime feeling.
Yeah.
Take it outside of that crime feeling.
Yeah. So come out of that context there.
No, but alright. So when the police bust up some boy, are the police win or the country win?
The police are claim the win, brother. So them not trained.
Commissioner JCF head. Claim the victory.
So wait there. So the police is an entity of themselves.
It looks so.
It seems.
Well, are we pay them? Are we as taxpayers pay them? You know?
But
if we pay them,
otherwise. So if we pay them, or is it that them busting up some boy means that them win?
Well, the theory is, you know, less gunman equal less murders.
So all of the money with them bust up a gunman.
And all they make allegation of gang involvement.
According to the JCF, brother.
Allegation of that. All them, they say.
So alright, so when them done bust up, so that means them have at least 700 more man for bust up.
We don't think so.
So when them done bust up, that's 700 there.
We don't think so much in Jamaica.
Yeah man, you have about 700 gunman man. If you just a fire shot from man, based on alleged. No, based on alleged and the criteria we make it alleged.
Some wild stats them on a show.
Based on the criteria we make it
wild
alleged.
Stats.
You know, hear me saying? Based on the criteria, make it alleged. Actually, a 2.6 gunman in Jamaica.
No, you can't.
Because affiliate.
You can't.
Based on what I must say,
if you're born in a country, if you're born in a certain community, and you have a friend where you grew up with them turned criminal, and you call to your road, and police are tracking, meanwhile, in call to your road, what kind of scenario that set for you now?
Well, you get talk up tonight.
And I might tell you, remember, say security.
Yeah, man, a real thing,
200 gonna come in.
It's 2.6 million people in Jamaica. We don't always say Jamaica is a small place.
Relatively
We don't think there are 2.6 million people involved in a crime like that.
No, but I'm saying if it's all alleged gunman, and you bust them.
Allegedly,
it means
information with them receive.
So the information, suppose the information with them receive not accurate. Because we talk about the podcast thing what they with the man I talk about the crime thing. Well, end of the day, we are saying the information not credible.
Act upon podcast that will be a sad state in the country, you know. If you ever put it
also, no, but end of the day, the same information what them give. Are the same information the podcast man then give?
It would have
most times
dangerous if police.
Hold on. So hold on, Solomon and N'Guvu. When I refer to the podcast, them deal with the criminal thing. We report the criminal thing. And that's your refer to.
No, I think them. No.
I remember say that. Hold on, boss man. Hold on, look on, brother. Remember say for the listeners, them want understanding. So we can understand. Assume so them know which podcast.
Right now, all the things set in Jamaica, man, everybody
crime
podcast. About crime podcasters in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Everybody knows.
Spell it out for them.
Yeah, so, but me, I said to myself, none of time I see. The clans thing, whatever. The black man thing, whatever. And them give the winnings to C4 Banker and where my boy name, Serpy.
Who give the winnings?
So,
winnings to them?
The same winnings thing. So them was major contributors to bringing down whatever. What I must say this evening, may I scroll through and say something like that.
So you're saying, well on, Solomon, man, you talk and you try and say one thing.
All I'm saying is, let me tell you what me I say.
Well on, man, you say
what me I say is,
you talk and ask a question
right
and
now,
you answer the same thing.
Wait, man, me I tell you what me I say. Remember saying what we are talking about right now is all speculation, you know.
You talk and I talk. Remember say other man there on the platform.
All right,
so
brother.
I'm gonna ask you a question.
Yeah, brother. Take the platform.
I'm ask you a question. You ask something, and you say something, and you answer what you try to ask.
All right, me don't talk now, so take the platform.
So, what Solomon probably try to say? Where am I trying to say?
You can't tell me what me
so you tell me what Solomon try.
Yeah, because he answer for himself. Him not make me answer. I'm gonna go through. All right, what go on the land of criminal acts with them police here. You know what I mean? It's very alarming to my understanding. Because you can in a car sit down in a taxi and them come for a man in the taxi and you get caught up. And she look the part, them say you and I too. I saw me look. I saw it look to me. Enough people take taxi.
But me not see the incident of anything that I'm like.
No, me just say you can in a taxi.
I'm going to chase the taxi. Alleged, brother. Anything goes.
No, but
anything goes right now.
Based on we see what's happening, we don't want to see cases like those. Usually them go for a man. And in most cases, the man alone them.
In most N'Guvu, but me I say no, you put in the public transport and they reach you.
Police go to one person, 3, 4 hours, others get caught up like that.
But just say something, N'Guvu. You could have anyway.
You have to be based on what take place. It can't be based on something.
You could have no, it's still no in the brother. You never say in the plan for lose.
About the facts. Remember, we have enough actual cases where
but a serious thing N'Guvu can pre this.
A serious thing.
Gone are the days when you used to hear say man escape in a
nearby bushes. There's no bushes in New Kingston.
What we see
no, but it's the one that means the bushes stop exist.
Yeah, man, bush that about again.
So what we see N'Guvu because it can't be, as me say, 50 man dead in a 50 days by the police force.
Teacha.
And it can't be that everybody is a criminal one, and it don't mean say if you're a criminal, you forget unalived by the force. So get that in your mind. And it can't be that everybody out of the 50 a fire back at the police. And we see this for a fact, say not true, brother.
Wrong thing I say. Start the fire first. Start the fire first.
But whether me that's a use fire.
I don't believe that because as me saying, if you priest.
No, I don't believe N'Guvu. I still see it. Remember, so the man them come across, the one them are dead from Windward Road. A 3 youth or 2 youth?
Who are them?
2 youth are dead from Windward Road. The man them come from the news. The first news statement was that them fire upon the police and fire was returned. And the police who were there.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, so I said that was the first statement. Company news, everything. So people got the notion or the idea said at that time.
Yeah,
so
man.
Then down in the day, a video show where the man them have the man up. And
Yeah, man. And
put it on
them
the two
taking
man
out brutally still.
So in the video, the second
In the
video,
come the panda case still, you know. In the come the panda one day. In the come the panda all of them.
It was on the video.
what was on the video?
So what we have said now, the shooting, what happened?
The actual police shooting.
Look like N'Guvu never watch that video then.
shooting.
Watch it on forward back. You never see it still.
But where I say,
Like you
well,
never see
one
it.
video without people are listening, you know. As you would say, people are listening, so you have to be speaking.
Yeah, so the actual shooting happened, the police stopped the two youth them have them man up in the air. And the police go towards them and just start shoot them.
So basically, Giroud, we can't believe what them have said. So basically, you know. Based on what the video show.
Exactly, what is very sad, brother, and it's set away my youth because a social media world we're in right now, and the first thing people look towards when anything posts is the comment section. And when me are looking at comment section under these posts by the commissioner and by the prime minister, majority of the people under these posts are saying good job, get rid of them. And it can't be said the same Jamaica where I say good job police. At the same Jamaica when a policeman stop them to give them tickets. I say them not like police.
So you're saying that most Jamaicans agree with the strong, forceful action by the police to get rid of these criminals based on the comments?
Very, very alarming.
So you say most Jamaicans agree with that?
What I'm saying is that the same Jamaicans who are saying that good job by the police force are the same Jamaicans who say them not like police when police stop them to give them a lawful ticket.
Well, but them don't like getting the ticket, but them like when the police get rid of the criminal them.
What? No, you still not get what me I say, N'Guvu. What me I say is when the police force is doing their job and it is impacting everybody, it becomes an issue. But when it impact just a minority group,
Which
they're
are
doing a great job.
Which are the motorists?
No, which are the actual people that they are killing, the 50 people what them kill, what they?
I know, mine.
As a Solomon always say, one set of people get unalive, is it? Poor black youths.
Are
No, but-
alleged criminals. What is the group? Alleged criminals.
No, but alright.
One
the same
set.
JFJ. When a man the same JFJ lady,
Well,
I say.
it's a subset.
When me this say over 700, no. They say the lady say, and I quote,
Right.
if this trend continues, Jamaica could see over 200 citizens killed by the members of the security forces by the end of the year.
She had the CEO of the JFJ.
250.
So when
She had the CEO, right?
So she has speculate. She has speculate. She has said if.
No, but I said 700. So I speculation, I speculate. But the fact is, she said 250 opens the door. They say it can reach close to 700.
No, but what we can't
No, why she say over that, you know? She look on the one a day and she say how much days? 355.
Yeah, but I am saying.
She say
No, but me that say
trajectory.
my one just for ramping shape. Me that say my one. Me never hear she say this.
No, but why
And
she
I
say
same
that,
thing me that pre.
Yeah, but why she said that I just mean.
Yeah, cause me I look on it and I say it really bad because of the day. A fifth in 2013 them claim say it was the worst. You know what I say? And a 58 them time you hit it there.
Where's
Police killings it was at 58.
Okay.
As in
The same time.
As
I
in
know it
year to date?
The total for the year.
Yeah.
So that's also
Yeah.
Oh, year to date.
that's the most in
The
any
year
year.
or the year to date?
No,
As in
Let me get it exactly.
you will
first
feel.
to because if a
2014
50
is it?
year.
Alright, so she has said 50 fatal shooting recorded since the start of 2025. More than double the 19 recorded for the similar period last year.
Okay.
Why the sudden 163% increase?
Mm-hmm.
You see me? She has said so body investigate shooting by securities as well as citizens claims of abuse. So what the woman basically say, oh the body look when the forensic reports are deal with. That not look like the story what them say. It look like abuse.
No,
And abuse
give
as
her
an
a quote.
entail.
Read that quote, make you read it, what she say really clearly. Cause like I read one thing and
Alright. Alright, so sister,
hard party.
the body investigates shootings by the security forces as well as the citizens, claims of abuse by the constabulary force. She said 22 police killings for January and February in 2024. 22, brother.
Right. And
we double that.
Double that.
We double that.
Why do you think we double it? Why do you think that'll happen? Where you think I'll drive that?
The bell and the fist time, the bell and the fist time, you know, man.
So that's why we say election purge.
And the prime
but purge of who?
Clearly.
No, but we're just a election purge. But I'm saying, so it seems like both sides are getting analyzed, both PNP and JLP. So
purge.
So what is it? So to what end? Because enough of them same persons here assist with the election structure thing and make sure say who for vote for who, vote for who. And make sure say what for stay green, stay green.
Let me start saying. Give it a point again.
A lot of the same persons who are being analyzed are the same persons.
So these alleged gangsters
run the engine. Yeah, who run the engine and the underground election thing.
Yeah, bring the voters out.
So if it stay green, stay green. If it stay orange, stay orange. Who for come over. Who for stay put, stay put.
So they said that the politician want to turn against them?
No, but yeah, if you read some of the articles, it is clear. Enough of the articles, basically are saying the political system complicit.
Yeah, but
so however that means.
What kind of message then? Our lesson.
It says that is a trick.
Yeah.
So the only thing you really make a move is when you want to secure votes, just like the road thing want go on.
Right.
Just like you go get some people in see water for 15 years. I get a ton load of chuck of water, you know.
So that's why election purge. That's why we as a people need to wise up, brother. And when turn politicians.
See, I want to rephrase that statement. We as a black people.
Yeah.
Need for wise up.
Brother.
Need
for wise up.
So the out of many one people matter a joke thing then,
police do them work.
That's the
police do them work.
So Solomon, what to that matter then? Out of many one people. It's a joke thing then.
Out of many one people, all the black people get gunshot and kick in a face and then sit there.
The
black people get kicked in the face
as man said,
thump in a mouth.
Need for wise up.
And bust up face.
Need for wise up.
How is it that Mr. Judge right I represent again? I mean, I think we're against woman beaters.
Political strategy of win back the seat.
Yeah, always certain people with certain
this whole criminal thing. When we talk about this whole criminal thing.
Criminal allegation. Invite them to them convention. You see me? So
no, but when I talk about this whole criminal thing, it's deeper than just police and run down bad man and shoot bad man, you know? If you want to go back to the old time tracking where I say, oh, then get the gun. Oh, the gun come here. Oh, then get the bullet then. Oh, the bullet then come here.
Well, you have more than one means to get, and I just through the wharf, you know. I must say, man, I go out in a boat.
No, and I through the wharf, but I'm just saying.
Man, I take boat,
the system was set up must involve so-called well-to-do citizens of the country. Must. Somebody must have turned a blind eye. Who is that man who has turned a blind eye to them one bag of gun here? Oh, we not talk about that. Oh, we not fight it on more than one front. So we are kill off the bad man them. So what we are going to do about the man who want to bring in the gun them?
But are we?
What we are going to do about the man where they foreigner send these heaps of money to do whatever and do? What we are going to do about the businessman them where use them?
I said the man them need for wise up and it's a beer man are dead, you know. So the man them need.
Yeah, man are dead.
But
yeah, man are dead.
Just wise up.
The 50 what get analyzed in the 50 days so far. Has there been a drastic reduction or a reduction in crime?
Well, there was a reported reduction in 2024.
I think me hear some say 11%, master.
Yeah, I know this year alone it started, you know. Cause I remember say in the last year.
No, I talk about since here. We get more last year, cause the trajectory we are talking about now with the whole rate is for this year.
Yeah, we need to look on some stuff.
Since the start of the year to now.
Yeah,
do people
Giroud, remember
usually thing happen now.
Giroud, well I know. Giroud, remember the start here, them say they drop, you know, by X amount of percent.
But it pick up back, brother.
Yeah, pick up back drastically after.
Exactly.
Yeah, me don't want to see the stats to say exactly what compared to last year, what it looked like.
It's got up on the screen. I'm going to show it on the screen.
Because what is the purpose then? Because you kill them 50 people here.
The conveyor belt are producing.
You can justify the reduction in crime. Use that to justify the police action,
No, what I'm saying now. Hold on, man.
With you, that justification.
No, why I'm saying
El Salvador them a try.
N'Guvu, why I'm saying because remember the man them say them a win. Them no train for lose.
When them call the winning is when a gunman dead. And that them a call.
That is when me a talk about. That is my point. The winning of fighting crime in Jamaica is killing black youths and killing black man. And then celebrate on the altar. And then say, yeah, we are fight crime. But we still use them same black youth here. Still
get the votes.
It's crazy to me.
To get the votes.
It's crazy to me. And it is so crazy. And it's so crazy that it's like the youth them can't see. It's like them people can't see.
Lying to it, yeah.
I like them see what go on, but just enjoy it. It's like it's a culture. It's so like to me the police killings become a culture. No?
Or is it that them can't?
You can't in a community. Your community can't be bad people place if police ever massacre a man in a community. Community come like a part of the culture, you know.
Brother, it's deeper than
toxic.
Because you say, brother.
Just like how you can't be bad man police and let's say a boy.
Read this, brother.
The man they mock each other, no?
Oh. Read cred, man. I say a thing about the culture, brother. Toxic.
Why I say it's deeper than this, my brother? Because the reality is, brother, the same MPs play a big role because, boom, a MP can come out and say.
You tell where I ask you.
No, I tell me, say a MP can come out and say.
It sound like you tell me, brother.
Well, I'm telling you. What you want me to say? I tell you.
Passionate about it, brother. Black people are dead in the youth.
MP can come out and say, them no know
X and Y and Z. Yeah. Where the police are alive.
And the person, when they make checks, the same man them will get unalived. They pay your payroll. So you don't know them.
Why?
Political statement, brother. This is Jamaica. Welcome to Jamra.
Yeah, and we need to cut out this thing.
Exactly.
We always, as we celebrate the stupid culture, like I put welcome to which goddamn Jamrock. This is no Jamrock.
Welcome to Jamrock.
Welcome to
song. Welcome song.
Welcome to.
So listen to song again.
Welcome to
colonial Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamrock. Foolishness. Where they talk them camp at 2 pounds.
There's no thugs. I don't know no thugs. When at the day, keep on a die.
Yeah, man.
And a die.
You think it's a tourist place?
And no revolt. And there's no revolution.
No cheat.
There's no bad man. There's no thugs. There's just young men and big man we have gun and just a fire shot. There's no bad man. There's no thugs. There's no warrior in Jamaica.
What do you mean there's no?
There's none of that. You cannot live in a place when the day. The system cannot send man to come do anything with them want to at any point in time. But at the same, use you for do things to them. And when them do things for you,
just discard you.
And you do things to them, and then ready for discard it and discard it, and you sit down and take it. But at the end of the day, you gotta get up and see a normal, innocent man, you step on your toe, your eye, and you come flag him in the streets with gunshot.
That is Jamrock, brother.
And then you see a bad man.
2025.
You kick off door and go in and you see Pitney a woman,
Yeah,
a man lay down in a bed, and you fool them up a gunshot. Then you call it mass shooting.
Mm-hmm.
Then now when the real man them come for you, on a quiver and ball. There's no bad man in Jamaica.
Beg pan TikTok.
There's no bad man in Jamaica.
Yeah.
There's no bad man in Jamaica. To me, if we just give it up, become a real Christian country.
I just go easy.
Praise God. Name bread, drink bread.
And the biggest
Hey, watch out.
And that's Bill.
podcast, Salaman. And the biggest statement I tell me. I read it.
No, that's Bill.
No, but
That's Bill, brother. We just get a
Watch out,
big. All of us get the biggest river in Jamaica. We just line up. Make man dash your head under water.
Yeah.
And you drink some water and come up back and say amen.
Yeah.
Eat some bread. And just clap your hands.
Yeah.
Jesus love is a bubbling over.
Stop this
I joke thing this.
Stop this pretense of being gangster, you know, fear nobody and way.
Yeah, it don't make no sense
Well,
because the
it
only
makes sense,
strength you
brother.
have of normal people when they want dep on them type of thing there.
At the end of the day,
It's joking that.
come phone and just dead like that.
What,
Dead
the man
like
them
that.
a listen out there, no. The man them a listen out
So-
there.
And then when you do that, yeah, bad man, me I tell you right now, bad man first put it down, brother.
Yeah, man, because those create a Guinness, create a beer at the 9 night, you know.
Yeah, brother.
And
just
curry
create a
goat.
Guinness and curry goat and
Special rum, boom.
and the cliche overcome and Jesus and that's a bag of nice.
How many you that thing?
Dumpy bandit.
You
Good son, brother.
You
Yo, you never hear the Lord. You never hear the Lord. 993, brother.
When the band,
Yeah,
band
the fucker band them and
Yo,
the
brother,
band
me is
show
not a
them
9-night
and
man enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, me can't manage them, brother. Me I tell you the God Almighty truth.
yeah
Me
man.
can't manage the 9-night, the candlelight. Me can't manage them sitting there, brother.
But enough for them a
Me don't know how
plan.
them.
No for them a plan.
How them do it. How them do it.
Plan.
Brother, one thing more I ask. So when we're gonna start to see like trials, proper trials, without them youth are dead. And we can say, yeah. And some thing that you did deal with.
Enough case backlog, brother. Enough case backlog. Enough you that carry remand and I get
And
charged.
it's not alone, Teacher. The
Wow.
DPP, the persecution, the whole thing, you know, see, I be a batch, them a batch, the whether I pro.
Yeah, that's a show. That's the whole package get dropped.
No, all me I say, me talk about us. One all, are you what them say? Do crime, but is a normal criminal. Normal.
What is a normal criminal? What is a normal
Same
criminal? brother?
same unalive too.
Alright.
Him unalive too. And them police find him, but them find him in a scenario where they can handcuff him and bring him.
And they
When
did.
we are gonna hear
Right?
about,
You know-
when we are gonna hear, and they did, and them
Utopia,
When we are gonna hear
Utopia
about-
society, brother. Utopia
No, but when we
society.
are gonna hear about, so we can have belief in the system. Say, yeah, police them a work, man. Say, leave from the man them where we get him to the man them now. We get the investigators start deal with it. So it goes to the
You know with
prosecutor now
Jamaica.
and prosecutor.
With
No,
Jamaica,
but I'm
that.
saying the police say them a win.
Them a win. Them a win. Them a win. Jamaica.
Which means the government a win. So that's
Jamaica.
the only win we are gonna get from the government, brother.
Jamaica
This is
win.
the only win we are gonna get.
But pre to you know, as you know, say you know, election year, brother. And for a man come out now and say the work is being done and they're putting in the work, brother. And now you're putting the work 4 or 5
Exactly.
months away from the election when you have been in power for 9 years.
So the work never pushing. Look on
No.
so much mass shooting at 2024. So
know,
want to the work.
Brother, and now the work are put in when it'll lead up to the election, brother.
Election.
So, and we are gonna vote. And so now when that means say, cause based on the whole reason, it means say. So when we talk about the crime thing now in the election, when the election fever up there, it means say it's gonna be a win for the government who are try to run back to the race. I say yo, them fight crime.
That's the picture that is being painted
And the
right
country
now. As I
and
say, if you go
black
read-
people in the country are gonna vote.
Yeah, but as they say in Jerry, you know, the comment section, everybody are beating up.
That's what I said, that a pain. So you go in the comment section, everybody is saying great job. Just like how what the year when the soldier come from the club and the man use the vehicle to analyze the two people who come
bikers
to the
them.
shooting.
Bike shooter.
But when
When you look under that, everybody will say, hey, great job.
Initially, until we hear the real story.
And then when they hear the real story now, people say, hey.
Same people, let me know.
Me take that back.
No, but I'm saying, who is? But you know the funniest part about that. Who are them people that are coming? They like to know them economic background, or it's a great
Really,
job.
they are middle class people, brother. Middle class people who can afford to have a data plan, who can afford to have a smartphone.
No, man. Lower class people have them.
No, brother.
Come on, man.
No, brother. No, brother. Majority of them are middle
Come
class.
on, man. A lot of Wi-Fi in the garrison, brother. Come on. Come on, Drew. Hold back that statement, Drew. Stop garrison man on the internet. Come on, Drew. Poor statement.
Well, I know.
Brother, and every garrison people call themselves dunce, brother. You have well-thinking people in the garrison.
Done, so we are defend. Right now,
you have well-thinking people, man. Not talk them.
Anything where people want to think about garrison people, they can't think about garrison people. Because garrison people not think about themselves.
That's a small percentage.
Salaman.
They're not thinking about themselves. We don't know what you're talking about.
Percentage you're talking about dunce. Because we know dunce coming, you know. Different topic.
No, nobody said they're dunce, but they are
different topic.
Them take up the dunce topic.
Different topic, that brother. Anyway, let us not stray from the topic.
N'Guvu.
Let us not stray, gentlemen.
When you
garrison people don't love themselves. Garrison people don't love themselves, brother.
What a statement. What a statement.
What a statement. You can't make people use you.
Use, abuse, and refuse, and reject.
4 years, and then you still vote, and you still vote. And still run behind them. You don't love yourself. Three quarters.
Let me follow our meds, yes. Let me follow our meds.
3 quarters of that conference, them be a garrison people. No uptown people, no down there, so. Unless them a drink pan and yacht with them.
Exactly.
Up with that. Man.
But Salaman,
go back to the topic.
I give teacher a task to go do. I give him some homework.
Yeah.
Go under them social media pages. So go under
them. What name? Give me an example. Gleaner.
Go under the Gleaner
and the mix up. Which one?
No, man. I'm not talking the mix up, brother.
Yeah. So the main thing
is post article where you have to read. You have to know
post the article about the commissioner.
Right.
And post them thing. Go under them there and randomly pick 10 people
words
outside
like
comment section.
Incumbent and then sit there.
So what are you trying to say?
Who know incumbent means?
No, disrespect the people from the garrison, brother.
Nobody
you're Salaman.
You I don't know. No, when you I don't know.
Then the great.
No, when you I
the people from the garrison.
You turn it in
intellectual ability.
Banana grown a garrison.
Banana with a garrison, the one
I don't want to live in there.
A garrison, the one I want to live
you want to live back down there? Do you want to live back down there? You want to live back down there?
Different topic this year come from different thing you talk about.
That is why police can run in and that's why they can kill her.
Why you kill Giroud point Solomon by straying to something.
And I kill my point.
Now you might bring up them thing there for about live back.
Show teacher say majority of the people in these comment sections are from the middle class.
No,
majority of the garrison people talk about blame them and Nia.
Exactly.
Nia were dead and them man there.
And pink wall and sitting there.
And them thing that them want hear. And then when police come murder them, they murder them family, them ball and holler. But then when them forget the free $10,000 and the free food, yo, I want to you, brother. The man them love themselves, brother.
None at all, brother.
None them love themselves. That is why police can run in. That is why police can run their community, kick off a door. Somebody who say the man them do it without the man them put up any resistance. But what got happen? Keep 9 night, the same set of people them will send them to come command them, come trickle up again, and then they start all over again. And then when they see normal people about the place, and then when they see normal people about the place, and all a teacher look on all your bad pitney and all discipline your bad pitney, you come up at the school, come go on like you know we in this a community will come from and we're killing people and how we are talking about, brother.
When it convenient, them draw that, you know? When it convenient, them draw the garrison card.
Them people don't love themselves. As I say something to a garrison man, yo, you don't know where I come from, you know. And then the police come down there and show no where I come from. And then the ball.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamrock, as I said earlier.
Jamaica people love themselves, and that is why they always get taken for food. Black Jamaican people don't love themselves, and black Jamaican people are doomed. They always get killed from police. Them are gonna always each other. Them are gonna always scam each other. Them are gonna always do the same thing to each other over and over again. Cuss each other and make people come in. Right now, Nicki Minaj around TikTok can diss up the one Jamaican people and diss up Jamaican people for Nicki Minaj. You know see what I go on, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what's so hard going, man?
Black Jamaicans doom, brother.
Yeah, man, beat
That's
them,
right.
man, beat them,
Yeah,
beat them.
brother.
Can't defend
With
them.
doom,
Can't defend
Chachi,
that
with
part of the
doom.
week, yeah.
Brother,
Beat
with
them, man.
doom.
So we'll close off now.
I'm gonna drink the
statement.
last of the rum and then hear me say,
Yeah, man,
brother,
yeah, man. Straight vibes
in
done
a-
for me,
in a-
unstoppable.
in a Jamaican society
Goddamn.
where I saw a couple of years back when we are looked to America when the police them kneel down in a George Floyd neck and kill him.
We feel a way over that.
Jamaicans were protesting and say, oh,
Black Lives Matter. So I'm to
and
Jamaican life.
crying and all these things. And me circle back now to say the same Jamaican people where the same police force locally are unaliving Jamaicans at a rapid rate.
Why not there?
Black Jamaicans. Black Jamaicans.
Black Jamaicans.
Poor
rapidly,
Jamaicans.
Rapidly, daily. And the same Jamaicans who a couple of years back were saying Black Lives Matter are now saying great job. Brother, me day in Jamaica now where when me get stopped, me I drive. I am a law-abiding citizen and I am driving.
I'm a fret.
And me
Me
I
a
worry
fret to
when
tell you
police
God
are
Almighty
pulling me
truth.
over, brother.
Me
Me I
fret.
worry.
That me tell me fret.
Because
Me fret.
me there in a situation where
Me tell
police give me a ticket, brother. Give me a ticket. Because
I'm in a film to
quote
get that
unquote,
ticket.
me I drive.
Them just comply, brother. Just comply.
And nice. No, I am not.
That's the whole point.
I am
That's the whole
compliant,
point.
brother. But what
Comply,
I'm saying
brother.
is that because me I drive probably a nice car, a man feel say man give me a ticket as
For
because
driving a
I'm
nice car?
vindictive, brother. Yeah, brother.
Go on, Joe.
You have
Yes,
a nice car, Chachi?
You get a nice car and get a ticket for that?
Yeah, brother. Man walk around the car and then the man look on the car
And right,
say,
one
"Nah,
ticket for driving a nice car?
clearly it could better be right.
Probably that
What type of car?
You broke the law, brother.
You get
I
a
never
nice
broke
car.
the law,
You get
you know.
that type of car.
But
Yeah,
what type of car, master?
in my closing statement to blur it now. But I show you the man give me a ticket because at 5 minutes to 7 in the night, I'm driving on
And that's
my car.
I didn't bring it to court. You didn't contest it to the
Like,
court.
yeah, man, I went to court.
When they give
Okay.
my Kentucky chicken.
You win it?
The reduction
I can't talk it
was
to
a
him.
big
What my
reduction
boy
in the.
So you know, you still
Kentucky
pay the
kid.
state. You still pay the state.
No, listen up, man. But
Man, get ticket to drive a nice car.
I'm going off the same win percentage as the JCF. The
They
fact
say you
that
can't win.
my
You
ticket,
can't win.
the fact that my ticket was X amount and I only paid X amount of
You win.
very low.
Yeah, win.
No,
I
you
win.
lose, man. You pay.
They say,
No, me win.
Yeah, you lose.
Oh, the man
They
I
beat
get
the
It's a win,
system.
brother.
And say pay, you lose,
Man
brother.
came in with the
No,
teacher.
I'm saying that beat
And
that.
say pay, you
win,
lose.
win,
Money come
brother.
out of your pocket.
Hey, you know
No,
say, yo, you know
And
say,
that's why-
you gotta
and
go
that's
down
why
that
we say-
history.
Jerry, you win.
That's why
Win,
Yeah,
win.
man, go down history.
Why did I get them boy
Year
them money? You lose?
2024,
25, brother.
Giroud won against this corrupted, under the corrupted.
And what- and what
25.
I say is, brother, the man
Clean
just
with the
chop up my closing statement. What I say is, brother, the fact that me, as a regular working individual, law-abiding
Gotcha.
citizen,
No
is
allegation. No
fearful
allegation.
with no allegations.
Yeah.
Police
Me
record
fearful
clean.
when clean, brother. Me fearful when police are stop me.
You fearful too?
So me can't understand how it's okay. The police are doing a great job in a CM Jamaica, brother. So me leave it right there, so, brother. It don't look good, brother. And based on what Holness say, beat them maker, him give all of this fuel to them, brother. And then this commissioner clearly is showing political bias when him come out so strong against the Jamaican.
Yeah, so it's him and Minister of National Security.
Exactly. Crazy, brother. That's how I left my argument, brother.
Well, for
Very
me, it's still a
crazy.
teacher. Well, you done, Giroud?
Yeah, man, go through.
Yeah, man. Boy, Giroud will say a whole heap of things still. It sounds funny, but it's serious, you know, people. It's serious. Even if you have the right thing and get stopped, even if your vehicle documents straight, the subconscious make you feel like, say, boy, you have something illegal upon you, or you're there, there's something illegal. So, I understand that way I must say still, because more time I get stopped, and the man them a question what kind of work. But I'm saying, I supposed to ask me that. What the purpose of the stop, and them a look, and I don't know what them a look for. But me just try to remain calm and be compliant. Boy, the whole one day thing, come like a one-day cricket, the JCF members them play. So the police come out with the commissioner say no apology, big pan the observer. So look like say the trend they gonna continue, because this is the election here, the Purge, just like the movie. It's like him ease up, look like him get some directive from him upper boss, that are the Prime Minister himself, for clean the place. And it look like say one set of party them a target. I say look, oh me see it now, and them just randomly, not really randomly, but them just go around and do them thing, some firing squad. So right now, I don't even know what I go on. But even the people in the transport system, the man will take all the taxi, and you take all the taxi with people, you don't even know what I go on, because them can all drive down a taxi and things can go on and you get caught up, straight shot, whatever. But that's why I said that's why I bring it up earlier, even though we don't have them case there yet. So people them out there still for us drive the safe. The man them out there we are the wrongs. The man them out there we are the wrongs.
If you get a man them kill one unalive one alpha girl on that street.
Yeah, Jaja, couple years ago. Yeah, man.
So you don't have them case there yet.
No, them they are trying to make mention like so we don't have them case, but I just they put out a look at disclaimer there until they remind me. A real thing, man. And remember the immaculate girl too, who they get shot up at Maxwell. Then they run on the car and she get shot. Yeah, and them say wanted man in the car. So we don't want to repeat them thing that people is it. And the police them one statement, they were approach under heavy gunfire. Fire was returned, and then like gunman no shot them, or just one way they shot a fire. I say look. So the nearby bushes thing, them not say that again. I just approaching men, fire was returned. Fire and return fire, whatever happened, and I hate that. So I hate that for the teacher. The people them have to wise up.
You leave off when the gunshots subdued, 2 men were found near.
Yeah, suffering from
hospital and were pronounced dead.
Yeah, that part there too. Boy, oh boy. Thanks the N'Guvu. Yeah man, so the next man can go through and close it off with them statement.
Alright, so right now if we tell you the truth, as me say, it's deeper than just the police, because Brutality 7 will go on.
From them time there,
and nobody still know. So I hear so over 60 at police surround that one house there.
In the comfort.
What's the next one name? Crawl. Which part?
Crawl go on and not. So it's and as I say, it's a bragging rights when the police them and behave them.
Remember the one of them shoot uptown in my house during the Dodos incursion.
Williams brother.
No man, Keith.
Keith, the lawyer brother. Whatever you want.
Accountant or something like so. But pray now.
And then I'm room of prayer and then kill him and say shooting did I go at.
Yeah man, the soldier and beat the case too, you know. Yeah. And beat the case last year.
But when you check the levels, it's just a situation because you have police right now. You have police and soldier. You have police and soldier who go through PTSD. You have police and soldier who are stressed out, personal life. So when them talk about them and send them police to come go after some of them money, you have to take into consideration say, yo, some of them money, I go up and work with some stressed out brain, you know. And I take it out from poor people still, you know. That's a part of the thing, you know.
You will source for that one there.
True.
You have to tell me say some of them police and have PTSD.
No,
you can't get up every day. Try you do certain work, you gotta have that. You fight crime, you hold up gun every day, you fire shot, you have range, you change out bullet, you ray. You and me know a gun make for gun, not make for peace. Gun make for war, brother. Gun make for kill people. Knife make for kill people. I think we talk about we start cook with knife. One time knife have for cooking and killing. Remember good now? Yeah, so from gun play go on, and usually all Jamaica badness stay from me know myself I hear about badness in Jamaica. One thing gunman afraid of police and even more soldier. Them not afraid of prison. But you see police and soldiers say if a certain areas of Jamaica you usually know some man fight. When they go down at east, when they go down at west, them type of man there. You never usually hear man a fight over police and a fire shot over police. And 50 man fire shot over police. I tell me say at least 10 police not analyzed. That crazy stats. Yo, that strike rate, they no normal them man ya. For the ICC #1 test analyzer in the world, brother. The man had the #1 test analyzer. Jamaican police are the top analyzers ever, brother.
Strike rate high.
I want to say one thing before me forget. One thing before me forget.
Yeah, check it. You know what? But I love.
Yeah, when you follow that one, Jerry.
Because
look at the stats. See which police force, apart from El Salvador, have the stopped analyzing strike rate.
Yo, but
yes, strike rate turn up. I mean, that's
just want to say the one thing there before you're running the and before me forget, brother. It can't be that Jamaica eye is so important and the relevance that them ramp up installing these cameras, but yet still the body cam them where the police them supposed to wear. The same minister come out and say it's not important. But it's strange that the only time a policeman camera work and when he eat rum and raise ice cream. Crazy, brother. Crazy.
That's another topic, Giroud. Another topic that, yeah man.
Yeah man, so as I'm saying now, is 2025 is a important year in the history of Jamaica. Election coming up, so it seems as if there is an election purge. The Prime Minister did say either the man will meet the maker or meet the judge, as Teacha said, like the maker part win. So that means that adequate warning did put out from way out, you know. So there's a man them for be wise, black people, man them out of the streets just be wise and know what you do, protect your life.
In the alarm, eh?
You know me? So police do them work, and that we pay them fine now. We are the citizens pay them now, so we need to hold them accountable in the company for do them work. To investigate some of these things, it can't be there.
In the company, either them do them work or them shut down. Them man can't charge nobody.
Yeah man, if we do them work or them get rid of themselves.
Jamaica for justice need for either shut down or do some work.
Yeah man.
We tired of come out a statement. We need to see solid evidence. So yeah, them man really do what them do, or them man continue do what them do. Because if there's no evidence, them really come out and extra judiciary kill them man. There's nothing I go do. So somebody need to do them work. In the country, Jamaica for justice, on a need for doing the work. DPP and need for the work.
Yeah, man, the court system have to improve where the police
need
can have
to do them goddamn work, man.
Where them lock up criminals or arrest a criminal, it can go through a proper trial.
We need to stop spending money for handcuff. We need to stop spending money.
Yeah, exactly. We don't need handcuff anymore.
I want to need jail.
We don't need a jail, so
we don't need jail. We need prison. We need prison. Prison army.
So the whole system set away. The whole system set away, isn't it? The whole Jamaica system set away want to reform. This thing, one of the can't continue because it's bound for where some allegation and really backed by facts or whatever. It can't be based on allegation.
It embolden them. Them are going to kill an innocent man, you know.
It will continue. The wedge between the citizens who them fair protect and serve and the police I get wider and wider. More people see the police as just forceful and aggressive and out to kill. So that can be the only. It can be the only way. They must improve them investigation and arrest, right? But as I say, meet a maker or the judge. So if the police put out a statement say you must come in, do the right thing, get a lawyer or whoever, go walk with the mother or whoever. And present yourself. Go through the trial. You see me? You don't bother think about put up no fight against no soldier and the police because you can't win.
400%
I just as another one.
Aye, brother. Beat them and beat ball, brother.
Yeah, man. So Jerry, what do you think now?
Last thing more I say. So, Garrison people there in between a rock and a hard place. Police
yeah.
and gunman. Don't make a decision.
Rough.
Don't make a decision.
Rough out there. Them if you do, them if you don't.
I could close off the bill there because the topic is one could have gone and on. Close out the bill there and then...
The topic I go stir up a whole heap of things to the it.
It's a very interesting topic there, people.
Me have a lose 3 grand here, so yo, what is it?
That can't cover the bill, brother. Are you there, man?
When I make up our...
What are you there?
First bill I make
like Solomon take out 3 grand out of 6 grand you get them.
Yeah, man.
Man, I shot the bar money.
Nah, target, so you can raise.
Man, I shot the money. I give them girl.
Close out the bar there, Jaja.
Yo, time rough, brother.
Thank you for listening. Very interesting topic. Just share it with your friends and get the knowledge that we're here to share. Give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Bar that. We're out.
Yeah, man, we're there again.
Up on the set.
Active.
You will either meet a judge or your maker. You will either meet a judge or your maker.